Okay, so super excited. Going to the dealership right now. Well, actually not here in Everett. I'm bouncing over to Mount Vernon. Been in contact with the dealership there. They've been looking for a car for me. As our company's growing, we're needing more vehicles. So I think it's about time to turn down this truck that I am driving that we had bought brand new last summer. We're gonna pass that one on to the guys to use as a fleet vehicle. So gotta give me a car now to replace it, and they have the exact car I'm looking for. So been searching for this car for a while now. Very limited to find. Found one. It's only an hour away. So for this job you guys are seeing, we came through for this customer and put in some pavers. They were already there, existing. We just came in, took them up, leveled them out, reset them, put some gravel around as a border. We also did some artificial grass with a putting green. So it's two pieces, as you can see. We put up some decorative metal fencing just to kind of give it a nice little block, and did the putting green. It was a kit that the customer had ordered, so we just installed it. Came out pretty nice. Got that done, and now we're on to the next one. So just left Everett city office. Finally got the business license to work in the city. As you guys know, we've had our Washington state license for a while, but we just recently moved the location at Stanwood to Everett. So finally got the paperwork set up. I'm very rarely around, so I'm back in the state now. Paid the fees, and now we are good to go on operating business in the city of Everett. It's crazy weather out here. Snowing, literally snowing, huge flakes today at lunch, and now it's sunny. It's crazy. It's always cloudy. Today actually we got a good good day out of it. Nice sunny day, but yeah, earlier it was snowing pretty heavily, snowing pretty bad. This stupid window is dirty. I gotta clean my window. But yeah, crazy weather here in Everett. So the other day I did check out that vehicle I was looking at. I really like it. Only issue I'm having with it, I'm not sure what's going to go on in the next couple of days, but I can't test drive it. Something about it. It's a showroom car, so they won't let it be test driven until after the deal is made on it. So I don't know. You know, obviously they've given me their word and everything that it's going to be a good running car. It is a used car, you know, I can understand if it was brand new, then, you know, factory warranties and everything would cover it if for some reason, you know, there was something minor wrong with it. But being a used car, you know, I would prefer to test drive it before, you know, putting all that money down towards it. So, I don't know, kind of thinking about it, weighing out the options, seeing if I can find something somewhere else that they will let me test drive before putting all that cash down for it. So we'll see what I come up with. Hopefully I don't have to travel out of state. If I do, you know, that's fine too, if it's worth the price. So we'll see what happens these next couple of days.